Jóhonaa'éí jad-ho-loni. Tózis biiʼ Tó Sido. Jad-ho-loni. Grandma's going to show you really quick. This is a new, it's called a E4, I guess, Patriots Sun Kettle. It's to boil water without fuel or flames. And it says for outdoors and off-grid, camping, picnics, boating, emergency, home energy savings, no batteries, no flames, just hot water from the sun. Here is this rocket science here, rocket situation here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Can you see? It's got that red glass in there. A big thermal thing. Fill it up with water, and after you do that, you cover it back up. You have to open it up, and you set this out like so, in, with the sun, so that the sun can warm this water up. So I'm going to do this, and let me read something to you about this. The Sun Kettle Solar Thermo instruction sheet. You have to make sure you read this, and it says the lid is a screw lid, and you make sure you wash it. To use it, what you do is you fill this container with water as required, and you have to make sure that there's 2 inches that you have at the top and below the rim. You can't overfill it. Then you open these panels, if you can tell. You can see from here. You open the 2 panels outward, and you place the handle into notches on panels. You place it in a sunny space, the shadow directly behind it. If the sun is low, you may find that the sun kettle will perform better standing up. And it says, as a guide, the less visible shadow, the better it will perform. Do not leave in the sun without contents. It can break and crack and damage the glass tube inside. And then, if you would like to store hot water in this, what you do is you get the hot water. We will do this, and I'll make hot chocolate. You close the panels, and you can carry the warm water or the hot water and use it whenever you need. So what I did was I went in and I got this 4-cup measuring cup. I actually filled it up to the 2-cup line, and guess what? It was perfect. We filled it right up to, there is a little rim, a little dark rim, and I believe that's where, well, it's 2 inches exact. So right at the top, there's a little dark line, and that's where we filled it up to. What we're going to do, it's a beautiful sunny day, and notice there's a handle here, and I'm going to go ahead and let it have the sun directly hit on it, okay? I laid it down the way it's supposed to. If you can look on the box, Grandma's looking at the box. Notice how you hitch it into the handle, and then notice how it lays. See how it's laying down? I don't know the effectiveness of that. Everyone is gonna laugh. This thing has been sitting out here since 3, and Grandpa and I had to go help. We just cleaned, helped clean a church. This is that thing. I was saying the thing is probably frozen. The water's frozen. The water is freaking warm and hot. I can't believe this. So what we're going to do is, Grandma's gonna get her hot chocolate. All right, and we're gonna have hot chocolate. Here's 1 scoop, 2 scoops, and I'm gonna pour my water. You guys, I can't believe this. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. I swear it was gonna be ice cold. And look at this, I just closed it up. Now I'm gonna pour the hot water. You guys, this is so hilarious. Oh my gosh. Ah! It really worked. I can't believe this. For outdoors use and off-grid. I'll tell you, I seriously wanted to call the company and say, you guys can go jump in a you-know-where. Oh, notice, look at the steam. It's steaming up my camera. Oh, I am so happy. I'm so excited. It really, really worked. This bunch of hoo-ha worked. I had no faith in you guys. I'm serious. I was ready to come home and swear. Grandma does say things she shouldn't say. But anyways, I will be nice. And guess what? I'm going to have some hot chocolate. Let's taste it. Oh my gosh, it's hot. The hot chocolate is hot. Oh gosh. Seriously, I didn't believe this. And look at this. Oh goodness, we just got home. And so here's to you guys. Grandma's going to drink her hot chocolate. And I am so happy. I can't believe this. It worked. So you guys got to invest. 10-4. Woohoo! For survival skills. And this off-grid, no fire, no flame, cool thing. I am so thrilled. I can't even see straight. I'm carrying on and I'm giddy. I can't believe this. In the dark, it worked. In the pitch dark, it was cold as heck outside and it still warmed this. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Woo! No fire. Look at this. Looks like Batman and a rocket. Look at that cool thing. And this is what warmed the water up. It was cold. I mean, I thought, oh, this thing is a bunch of hooey. Well, anyways, I'll shush. I love you guys. You gotta get this. This is so cool. 10-4 for survival skills number 7. Woohoo!